Hyundai Elantra hard starting issue, or occasionally won't start. So testing the battery here. Battery should always have over 12 volts, usually about 12.5. This battery is currently at 9.5 volts, and the car will barely start. And the issue is obviously just the battery. But see, the headlights will still work and everything. That's normal until the battery goes down to like 7 or 8 volts. Everything with the car will still work, but it won't start because the starter takes a lot of energy to turn the car over.